Hey Phoenixies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna make paper clay shark, and it's basically a paper clay shark showpiece which you can keep in your house and decorate it. I was getting a lot of requests to make this, so today I decided that I'm finally gonna do this over here. So for that, let's get started. Alright, so first thing first, what I'm gonna take is this silver foil, and it's basically just a normal aluminium foil, and I'm gonna roll it like this and give the shape of the shark body. So don't worry, you don't have to be very accurate over here, you just have to go on applying these aluminium foils till you're satisfied with the base, and then the rest of the work will be done with paper clay. Okay guys, so once the piece is now done, you can see this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna start applying my paper clay on top of this shark, and this is my all-time paper clay. It's my favorite and I've made this at home. So if you guys also want to make your own paper clay in a very affordable and cheap way, then you can go and check out on my channel, because there you can find this tutorial and you can go and watch it and make your own paper clay at home in just few minutes. And that's it. Then you have to just take on some paper clay and start applying it on the shark body to give this smooth base. You can also use the help of some tools, and these are basically some sculpting tools, so I'm using those over here just to give the shape of the body. So basically you have to cover the whole aluminium foil base, and that's it. So you have to give some lines over here, just refer to a picture of a shark, and that's it. Then you have to do what you have to take paper clay and stick it inside the mouth of the shark. And over here I made this shark who has the teeth widely open, and then I'll take my scissor, very tiny scissor, and I'll just cut the teeth. Once I'm done with that, I'll also apply it on the tail. And so guys, once this is nice and dried after 24 hours or a day, now I'll take my sandpaper and I'll start scrubbing this so that it gives me a very smooth base. And you don't have to scrub it everywhere, because few parts will be just as it is, little bit rough. Then you can also see I made these two holes on the bottom side of the shark, so that will be used for wire in the further part of the video. You can go and see that. So what you have to do is that you have to start painting the shark. So for that I'm using this very beautiful color, and it's acrylic paint guys. And once I'm done with the top half, I'll just use a very lighter shade of the same color, and I'll go on applying it on the bottom side as well. And then I'll just merge these two paints together. So you can see these two holes on the bottom side. Make sure you do that when the clay is wet, and once it gets dried you won't be able to do that, so just make sure about that. And once that is done, you'll just take some water and just merge the paint. After that, just take some white color and just highlight it on the parts you need the most. Try to make it as real as possible. And once that is done, you have to paint the inside part of the mouth with the red color. Basically it's a very dark red color, and you have to paint the whole complete part of the mouth with this shade. Now the eyes also, you have to make it look very dangerous. So now I'll just paint these teeth into white color. Okay, so now my shark is nice and dried. Now it's, as you can see, completed. So I'll just keep it aside. And let's start with the main piece, which is the showpiece. So over here I've taken this white bowl, and it's a plastic bowl. So you can take any plastic bowl which you don't want to use. So it's just basically the stand, and what I'm gonna do is that I'll apply hot glue gun over here. Then I'll just take this cardboard circle. On top of it, you can just take any rough cardboard. It does not have to be very smooth because it will be the water piece. So what I'll do is that I'll start painting this into this beautiful color of water, which is blue. And again I'm taking acrylic paint. So once it's nice and painted, now what I'll do is that I'll take these two craft wire, and you can see I'll just use it to stick in the hole. Now what you have to do is that you can see these two craft wires are not in the same size because we want the fish to be little bit tilted. So it's one is little bit small and the other one is little bit longer. So now what I'll do is that this is the main part, guys. You have to take your hot glue gun and start applying this over here on the base just to give that water wave effect. So once you're done with that, now this part of the shark, the below part of the shark, has to be little more, that water kind of effect. So what I'm gonna do is that I'll drop little bit more hot glue gun over here, and then I'll just take it after it's little bit dried. I'll just take my hot glue gun and scrub it off like this, so it will look something like this. And this is what the kind of effect I wanted, just those splashes of water. So guys, this was it. This was the final video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.